Hey everybody, welcome to another Photoshop CS6 tutorial. I'm your host, Buddy Blackford. Today we're going to be talking about working with the Layer Comps panel. And pretty much what the Layer Comps panel is it takes like snapshots of your document and creates a layer comp. Now, to bring up the layer comps window, you can either click on this like magazine page looking icon here, and that'll have the layer comps, or you can go up to window and then click on layer comps right here and it'll bring it up for you. Now all you need to do is have a document open and then have your layer comps tab here open so that you can follow along. So in your layer comps panel, click on the create new layer comps button here, and you can name it whatever you want, and I'll just say V1 for version 1, and it's going to apply you can apply the visibility, position, or layer styles, which is like blending modes and things like that. And then leave comments if you really need to. So I'm going to click on all of them and hit OK. Now all I need to do is maybe bring something up new, move around another image. Let's move this text around, and we can move this and put a layer style on it. We'll put a stroke around it real quick. So all I did was come down to this, I had the layer selected, come down to this FX and click on stroke, and let's make it a little bit bigger so you can see it, and hit OK. So that's got a stroke. This is newly visible, and this has been moved in position. Let's create another one and say V2. Hit OK. And now we can look between these and see the differences. This is the version 1. This is the version 2. And these are both saved. So you can have different versions of your document using these layer comps. It's really nice. Or you can start out and then like keep adding, and if you don't like it, you can always go back to your old layer comp that you started out with first and then start over again. Now you can just cycle through these by using these arrow keys here to cycle through your different layer comps, or you can just click on the actual box next to the layer comp to make it visible. The button here in the middle that looks like kind of like a recycling thing, that is the update layer comp button, and if I move something around, like I moved this down here, I can now update this layer comp, and now every time I look at it, it's going to be just like it is how I updated the comp. And just as easily to remove a layer comp, just click on the trash can here, which is the delete button, and it'll delete it out for you. Now it won't be there anymore. If I hit step backward, edit, step backward, it'll undo your delete there. So a good use for using layer comps is to have an original version and then versions with like effects applied. So we're gonna create two different versions here, and I'll just start out with this one right here, and this is going to be, double click on it to bring this up, and this is going to be without effects, and I'll hit OK, and this one is going to get deleted, and then we're just going to add some effects. So down here, add any of these that you want. I'll add inner glow to this one, hit OK, and then I'll use this one, and then I'll add another. I'll use a emboss and bevel. Just you can do whatever you want. You can see it just beveled the edges. And now I can create new layer comp, and this is called with effects. Okay, and then you get this where you can see the different effects you put onto your image. Or with your filter effects, or with your filters also, you can do that kind of thing too. So that's how you can use layer comps to your advantage, and that's it for this tutorial. So thanks for watching, and subscribe if you want to see more Photoshop tutorials. Have a good one.